I believe they must have prayed and prayed and prayed, nothing. They gave up. So they stopped praying. They told themselves, child or no child will serve the Lord. But listen, God is not unrighteous. There is a level of service you will give to God. God has no choice. To him, it will become unrighteousness if he doesn't bless you. It will become what? Unrighteousness if he doesn't bless you. Even though, listen to me, there are some prayer points you might have forgotten because you felt the answer did not come. But I want to tell you today, there is no prayer points that you have gone, that you have released from your lips to God that is not registered in heaven. Can I repeat that again? Prayer is like a seed. Anytime you pray, a seed is planted in heaven. You might have forgotten that you made that prayer, but that prayer, God will answer it. He may not answer now, but he will answer at the right time. A man of God was sharing his experience. He's blessed now. If I call his name, everybody knows him. He's blessed. He was sharing his experience when he started out in the ministry. So he had to visit members. Then the church was less than 50 people. Less than 50 people. So it was stressful for him. So he began to pray for motorbike. You know motorbike? That God should give him motorbike so that he can visit the members. Please, to be easier for him to go around the house of the members and visit them. He prayed, he fasted, he prayed, he fasted. For days, motorbike did not come. You know, there is a way you will pray and no answer. You will stop praying that prayer. Is that true? Maybe God don't want to do this one. Shifts and you focus on it. So he got to a point, he's not praying that prayer. Years later, of course, God has blessed him now. Thousands of people now. And not only that, he's financially blessed. One day, a man came all the way from the east. This time, it was in Abuja. This man came from the east. I said they wanted to see him. What happened? You see, I can't rest. I can't rest. God said, I must come and give you this. And he dropped the key. The key of a motorbike. And this time around, this man of God has given out more than 100 cars. So car is not his problem. His level is private jets. You don't understand what I'm saying?
I hear you, sir.
So when he saw the key, he said, what is it? He said, the motorbike is outside. Brand new motorbike. He now look at the guy and said, do you know me? He said, yes, sir. I know the motorbike. He said, it doesn't matter. God said, I must bring it. I must bring it. I traveled from the east just to come and deliver motorbike. So he was confused and said, Lord, you know I don't need this thing. And the Lord said, did you remember when you were asking me for motorbike? Take the motorbike now. Amen. Tell yourself, prayer never dies. Say again, prayer never dies. There are some prayers you are praying now. You would have forgotten that you prayed it if Christ established.